Few places in the world can change the rules of progress, let alone the direction of a century. Welcome to Shenzhen. While history is preserved in many cities, Shenzhen created its own. In less than 40 years, this coastline was shaped into one of the most powerful urban engines on Earth. Not through patience, through acceleration. Most are drawn by an opportunity. Many driven by speed. And as night descends on this urban city, a surrounding energy reveals the scale it was always meant to reach. This is why it's called the Silicon Valley of China. This isn't a city built to slow down. It's built to reveal the future. This is Shenzhen.